right now, he's leaving their apartment, looking down at the street.
What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. Finally, the update you guys have been waiting for. Haven't uploaded in a couple of months. Just didn't know what to do at the moment because I had the car down. Had misfire. I couldn't find out what it was. The timing guides were all shot, destroyed. I'll put a clip on that so you guys can check it out right now. Let me check. So here are the guides. You can tell they're destroyed in pieces. A lot of it was in my oil pan. But yeah, that's a mess, as you can tell. I'll get to it. So as you guys probably saw, they were pretty messed up. They were rattling, making all kinds of noise. The car wasn't running good. So we got that fixed, but then I had the misfire that I couldn't solve for like 2 months. I had no idea what it was. It was driving me insane. And I was about to give up on the car. I mean, I did give up, actually. I switched out the IAC, cleaned out the throttle body. I switched the TPS. I did a bunch of things. I even switched injectors. I got new injector connectors, new coils, new spark plugs, 2 sets of new spark plugs. I checked the compression in the cylinders and nothing was bad. And then I finally gave up on it, and I swapped the battery, and when I did, the misfire went away. And this is what I got going so far. Seat's still ripped. I finished some of the interior, painting it black. It's a mess in there. It smells like paint still. I still think the black paint looks real good on the car. It looks fantastic in my opinion. There it is right there. It looks real good. Looks factory almost. And then ever since I got the polisher, I was able to make the lights look the way I wanted them to, not all matte black. I still got to go over them one more time, but for the most part, it's looking good. I'm not sure what upgrades I want to do at the moment, if any, because of my financial status. I am really short on cash due to a bunch of things I had to do. Let's take a look in here. There's my little screen. It's my backup screen as well. God, what else? Oh, you guys, I am so dumb. I am forgetting one of the biggest things I did to the car. You guys saw that last video where I unboxed the Cobra brakes. Well, there they are, painted sunburst gold. Saw it on a forum and I really liked it. My wheels are really dirty. Cops just showed up, so I'm probably gonna have to get out of here. But yeah, this is it. The paint is kind of peeling off, and not too glad about that. Actually, that might just be rust, but the paint was stripping on this caliper, and this was the paint, but now it looks like it's a golden rust type of thing, so I'm not sure really what that's about. And this tire is the only tire that isn't Nitto, just because I didn't have the cash to buy myself a new Nitto. It was a 275 tire I had laying around, so I just slapped it on. And yeah, I mean, upgraded the rotors. They're 13-inch rotors now. I think it looks good. Here's the other door so you guys can tell. All nice and blacked out. Excuse the mess. But I know there's a lot more things. I'm really rushing this video. I don't got time. But if you guys liked it, just go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Any concerns or anything, just let me know and I'll answer your guys' questions. You guys have yourselves a great day. I'm gonna end it here. I wish it could have been longer, but unfortunately got other things to do. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day. Thank you.